Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Switch to a lightweight launcher to speed app launching immediately and noticeably. Choose launchers like Nova or Launchair for minimal background overhead. Configure the launcher to use direct app drawer swipe and shortcuts to open apps with one motion. Place frequently used apps on the dock for single tap access. Disable expensive visual effects in the launcher to reduce lag during taps. Reduce transition and window animation scales to 0, 5s or 0s to make app opens feel instantaneous. Use app shortcuts and launcher gestures to cut steps when opening apps. Long press an icon to create a shortcut to an activity or specific contact. Assign a 2-finger swipe or double tap gesture to launch your top 3 apps instantly. Add one-tap widgets for messaging, navigation, or music to perform actions without full app loads. Group related apps in folders on the home screen for quicker visual scanning and access. Test gesture responsiveness and adjust sensitivity in the launcher settings if necessary. Optimize Android system settings to improve app opening speed overall. Disable background sync for rarely used apps to free RAM for foreground apps. Go to Settings and disable or uninstall manufacturer bloatware that runs persistently. Clear stale app cache occasionally to prevent slowdowns due to large temporary files. Enable developer options and set window and transition animation scales to 0. 5x for faster perceived opening. Limit background processes to a reasonable number if you run into
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.